You wake up to the soft sound of waves crashing on a remote beach. You stretch out, make a fresh cup of coffee, and open the rear doors to let in the crisp morning air. No hotel checkout, no reservations, just you, the open road, and complete freedom. If that sounds like the kind of lifestyle you dream about, then keep watching, because today we're looking at one of the most practical, budget-friendly camper vans that could turn that dream into reality. Welcome to ByteBuzz Innovations, your go-to channel for in-depth, high-quality automotive content. If you're passionate about cars, road trips, and vehicles that redefine convenience, you're in the right place. We dive deep into performance, design, features, and real-world usability, so you always know exactly what to expect. Today, we have a compact camper van that's shaking up the market. It's affordable, efficient, and packed with smart features. Stay tuned, because we're about to explore every detail. The heart of this vehicle is a robust and efficient engine that balances power with practicality. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating mountain passes, this camper van is designed for versatility. With a fuel-efficient design, it offers an impressive range that can take you over 1,000 kilometers on a single tank. That means fewer stops and more uninterrupted adventures. In terms of size, it's compact enough to handle city driving while still offering enough space to make it a comfortable home on wheels. Now, let's talk about performance. This camper van isn't about raw speed, but that's not what it's built for. Instead, it offers a reliable and smooth driving experience. With a practical horsepower output that ensures steady acceleration, you won't feel underpowered even when fully loaded with gear. The handling is responsive, making it easy to maneuver through narrow streets or tight parking spots. And when you take it off the beaten path, it holds its own, offering decent ground clearance and a suspension setup that absorbs bumps with ease. Design-wise, this vehicle is a masterclass in maximizing space. The exterior is modern yet functional, with sliding doors for easy access and a compact footprint that makes parking stress-free. Step inside, and you'll find a well-thought-out interior that transforms seamlessly from a mobile living space to a capable workhorse. The modular seating allows for multiple configurations, and the fold-out bed ensures a comfortable night's sleep. Storage is generous, with cleverly placed compartments to keep all your essentials organized. Technology is another strong suit. The dashboard is equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, and navigation. USB ports, Bluetooth compatibility, and a premium sound system enhance the driving experience. Safety features include advanced driver assistance systems, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera, making long journeys safer and more comfortable. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, this camper van is incredibly affordable compared to other models in its category. It's fuel-efficient, easy to drive, and offers a surprising amount of space for its size. The modular interior makes it adaptable for different needs, whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or even a small family. However, there are a few downsides. While it's well-equipped, it doesn't offer the high-end luxury of more expensive camper vans. The engine, while efficient, isn't the most powerful, which means overtaking on highways requires some planning. And if you're looking for extreme off-road capability, you might need to consider aftermarket modifications. When it comes to reviews, both owners and automotive experts have plenty to say. Owners appreciate the practicality and cost-effectiveness, often praising its fuel economy and well-designed interior. Experts highlight the value-for-money aspect, noting that it's one of the best entry-level camper vans available. However, some critics mention that the basic trim lacks some premium features found in higher-end models. Overall, it's viewed as a smart choice for those who want adventure without breaking the bank. Let's talk about pricing. One of the biggest selling points of this vehicle is its affordability. With a starting price significantly lower than many competitors, it's a fantastic entry point for those looking to explore van life. When you compare it to other camper vans, you'll notice that it offers a similar experience at a fraction of the cost. That makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious travelers who still want reliability and comfort. Plus, with various trim options available, you can choose a version that fits your needs without overspending. What do you think? Is this camper van the perfect companion for your next road trip? Would you consider buying one? Or do you prefer a different setup? Let us know in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to ByteBuzz Innovations for more deep dives into the latest and greatest vehicles. If you enjoyed this review, check out our other videos on innovative cars that redefine the way we travel. See you in the next one.